Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch. Saturday, March 8, 2025. So this evening I'm going to be covering the New York wildfire situation. Then after this, we'll have a little bit of a talk, one of my talks. So I have scoured the internet. I went through over a dozen reports. I'm trying to find the time that this fire started. I found two reports that states that the fire started at around 1 p.m. So the thing here is, this is FIRM's Fire Information for Resource Management System. The fires, according to news reports, started in this area here. They are not placing any information on these two pixels here. However, most of these, the satellite picked up the infrared signatures at approximately at exactly 10:57 a.m. So approximately 2 hours before the report of the fire breakout. Unless somebody else, an eyewitness, can tell me what time these fires started. Like I said, I've only come across two reports that say the same thing, 1 p.m. So we have two sets of times, 10:57 and 11:29 a.m. If you just want to hang on a minute, 10:57 local time, so UTC time is 18:57. One moment. And these two, 18:57, 18:34, 18:34. So these two were approximately 10:30 a.m. in the morning, and this is apparently where the fire started. However, (10:30 a.m.) first indication, and then 10:57 and again 11:29. The wind, of course, is blowing in this direction here, from the west to the east. I can tell you a history about this airport and the surrounding region. I do know I have covered this area before for reporting some heat detections. I went back about 16 months, and once again that information is sanitized, erased. While I'm here on this map, I'm going to show you two other indications right now. And I'll take you to Google. So here's one. And our other one. Down here. So this is the same situation as the Carolina fires. So first, before you start saying, oh, these are started by people, then you can provide to us the name of the police officer who took the file number, the names of the persons arrested, and how they started the fires. It's simple and it's easy. So yes, very dry, very arid, very humid, windy. Yes, none of these things state what the ignition source was. I have covered this area before. Heat detections around that airport. That's all I can say. So again, this is the area of the drones. Forgot about that one, didn't you? Hasn't been in the news, right? Distraction hasn't been in the news. The seismic activity in that area. The heat detections that I point out in that area. The offshore tsunami buoy that goes into motion in the absence of earthquakes because of motion of the ocean floor, because on either side there's a lineage of the undersea mounts volcanoes running right into New York. I'm going to do my talk kind of separate from this video. I just want to do pointing out the times that the satellites are picking up the heat indications, apparently 2.5 hours before the fire breakouts. If anybody has any witness reports of the fires, the initial fire starting before 1 p.m., that would be very much appreciated.